Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add money to Binance wallet. So if you want to purchase or do any sort of transaction through Binance, like you want to purchase cryptocurrency or maybe another token or coin, then in this video, I'll show you how easily you can do it. Also, you can find the Binance link in the description below. So first you have to make sure that you have the Binance app. If not, then you can still get it from Google Play Store or App Store. And the second thing is that you have created your account onto it and you are also verified. If you're not verified, then you cannot do any sort of transaction. So make sure you're verified, then just simply open up your Binance app. Once app gets open, you will be onto its home page. Now at the bottom we have five options. You have to click on this asset once and there you will see different options. Now here we have this option which says add funds, as you can see. Now as we have to add the money, so you have to click onto it and you get three options. The number one is on-chain deposit, the second one is receive from Binance users, and then P2P trading. We will discuss all of these methods, but first we will start with on-chain deposit. In on-chain deposit, first you have to simply choose which coin or which sort of cryptocurrency you would like to purchase. Then after that you have to choose a network. There are different networks available. You have to choose as per your choice. Then you will get the code of your account that you have to provide to the other person, or if you're doing it from your any other wallet like another app other than Binance, then you have to paste that code, or you can also scan it through scanner, and then you will be able to transfer the cryptocurrency. Other than this option, we have the Binance one. So if you click onto it, you can receive money from Binance users. So let's say if any other person from your relatives or maybe someone in your circle is selling their cryptocurrency, so you can purchase with them. And then we have the P2P trading at the last. What happens here is that there are different sellers on this platform. They are selling their cryptocurrency, so you can purchase from them. So once you get into the P2P, you have to take care of few things. Like first you have to choose the currency that you would like to purchase in. You can choose as per your choice. There are many different currencies available. Then you have to choose that what cryptocurrency you would like to get. You can also do the filter like how much amount you would like to purchase for. Here I'm purchasing for 10,000. You can also set the payment time and what sort of payment method you need, whether bank or maybe any other apps. Once you have selected, you will get the results from there. Now there we have different rates and different people. You can select the best rate, but you can also see how much thumbs up percentage that person has got. If that percentage is good, then you have to choose it because they are the verified. So these are like the recommendation or the review from other purchasers, so you can get the idea. So whatever you like the most, you can click on buy, and then this page will open. Now here you have to choose like you want a bank transfer. You can check out all this information there. Bank details are written there. You just have to simply transfer them the money. Like here I have used the 10,000, so I will transfer them the money, and I will also place my order and will get agree to their terms and conditions. Once I get agree, I have to click on confirm. Now I will place the order. Meanwhile, I have got 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, I will transfer the money to that person bank account, and I will click on verify now, or I can also share the screenshot in this chat section. And once it gets verified that I have just transferred 10,000, that person will send me the cryptocurrency. So that's how it all works. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.